Hey, so for office hours, same idea, slightly new location here. So as usual, we'll go into the students here. You'll notice that there's a nice banner right here, remote office hour links. So during times of full remote learning, please use the remote office hours link on your team channel instead of the AB link that you're used to. So if you come on over here and click on Six Whites, there it is, sixth grade remote office hours. So when we're all at home, that is the remote office hours. The AB is still up there. There it is, six white office hours. But again, that's for the AB schedule there. So again, stay with theirs. Make sure you're clicking on the remote office hours. They look a little bit different. So we don't have all those class periods are there because everyone has office hours at the exact same time. As you can see up here, 2:55 to 3:30. Just click on who you would like to talk with. All right, enjoy.